Okay, been to one of my favourite stores, Harbour Freight. Bought myself a cordless staple gun. That's got to be charged up. Got some staples as well. That's for attaching the Furflex. And maybe some other things, I don't know, we'll see. And the hot knife. The hot knife I've had to purchase because the sponge provided by BAS is not shaped. So I've got to do that. What I'm going to do right now is unplug, rewind. I'm going to unpack this and give it a shot so you can see how good or bad it is. Right, this knife has settings from 1 to 5. So I'm going to set number 3. What I don't like is you have to hold the trigger, but maybe that's a good thing. And well, we'll see, I guess. Let's give it a few moments. Not hot enough yet. Nope, still not hot enough. I wonder if I have to wait for the light to go out for it to tell me it's hot enough. Yeah, and this is from my $1,000 seat. Okay. Making a little burn mark. Okay, we're getting some smoke on the end now. Smoke on the water. Aha! Now look at that. So that's on number 3 setting. Looks like you can't rush it. I'm wondering if that's too hot on number 3. Okay, I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to number 1 setting. But what I've got to do is let this now cool down. And then I'll come back and do a number 1 setting and we'll try it on this corner. Okay. I'll be back. Well, it appears setting 3 with this knife is the one that cuts through it. It does leave a little burn mark. I'm not too worried about that. I think I'm going to be using a combination of a very sharp knife, very sharp scissors, and the hot knife. Maybe the hot knife to remove the biggest majority. And then in with the scissors and the knives. It's going to be suck it and see. And there goes my phone. Always happens, doesn't it? All right. So yeah, very, very short video, this one. Some pictures coming up of a car show my brother went to over in Delaware. And pictures of the RE-Type. Also, unfortunately, a very noisy E-Type engine. Oh dear. This was an engine that was professionally built by people that build racing engines, XK engines. So I think he's going to have to take it there and speak to them rather severely and see what the hell's going on, because I'm pretty sure if he's done 1,500 miles on that engine, it would be a surprise. I very much doubt he's done many miles on it at all. So they could need to do some remedial work. We will see. That's it on this clip. On with the pictures. Okay, first I thought I'd give you something nice to look at and give you a little bit of an update. My baby has gone off to the body shop, as you have seen in the previous video, and I was there yesterday going over some finer points with the body guys and pointing out, this needs to be a little better, that needs to be a little better, etc., etc. And they were very attentive to what I was saying, which was very pleasing. The pictures that follow of the boot blisters was not caused by them. As you can see from the pictures, there is a number of layers. The moron that did the work on my car prior to me taking it to these professionals, and I won't disclose how much I paid that idiot, but you can see he had some contaminations which caused the blisters. Nothing to do with the body shop. In the layers you can see their layers of paint and filler, and then his layers of paint and filler, and it was what that idiot did that caused the problem on the boot. I did say that I would pay for it because it was unfair for them to have to pay for someone else's mistake. But this is where this body shop stunned me. They said, no, we'll fix it for you. Don't worry about it. You cannot get better customer service than that. So if you live anywhere in the world and you want your car done properly, I would suggest you do Santan Hot Rods here in Arizona. They are amazing, and I will put a link in the description. Okay, the next few pictures are of my E-Type, my shared E-Type with my brother, and of cars that were at a show in Delaware. I hope you find them interesting, and at the end of this we will wrap up with a question for you all. Yes, what will it be? Enjoy the pictures.